Hong Son, we just landed like a minute ago. That's our plane. A tiny plane. It was a good flight. But when we land, because the airplane's very small, it's very very excited because you can feel everything on the ground when the plane hit the ground. Here we are at the airport. I'm so excited for our adventure, short trip. Good morning. Today we are in Mae Hong Son. Beautiful morning here. Mae Hong Son is the province of three mists. So we wake up early to see the mist in the city. And there's the gate that you see. There's the entrance to Thailand market, which is the morning market here. And all the local, you know, from everywhere in the city, they come for shopping in the morning. Then also the other side, you will see people local. They have set the tables and the monk. So people offer food to the monk. We're gonna go have a look what's inside the market. Let's see what can we do and what kind of food that they eat here in Mae Hong Son. This Mae Hong Son is next to the border, you know, to Burma. So a lot of Thaiyai and Burmese people, you know, around here, and which you will see, you know, the Thai language and Burmese language signs everywhere. All right, let's have a look. They're selling noodle soup, congee, chicken breast soup with pork and eggs and some bread. So this is the lightest breakfast that you can see, but usually us, because I'm from the north, local, at home we eat sticky rice. I always like sticky rice and curry and chilies in the morning. This is like easy breakfast and takeaways. So there's fried chicken, fried fish, pork bellies, and sticky rice. It's all different types. This is a toasted mung bean. Remember? This one always adds in on top of sticky rice with mango. I wonder how much is that? อันนี้ขายถึงเท่าไหร่คะ100 บาทจ้ะ100 บาท Oh, roti. You want to get some? I love roti. So how much is that with the eggs? อันนี้เท่าไหร่คะ20 เอาอันนี้ค่ะ I love roti. Let's see if she make a good one. So the way I like it, you know, I have butter and it's the milk, sweet condensed milk. Love sweet condensed milk. Yeah. And a lot of sugar. Sugar high in the morning. Maybe it's good for have a fun morning. You get some excited. Check. Still hot? It's good for the cold morning. See this? Oh, it's too hard. I love roti. Let's see what else we can find. Miang. It's tea leaf. Fermented tea leaf. Some people might heard about tea leaf salad. Yeah. Tea leaf salad. A real masala, the Burmese packaging for the hang lei curry, typical from Chiang Mai. Masala, and the name of the brand. I mean the guy who made it, Chang Mong Silicon. So the name Chang Mong pretty close, you know, like Burmese to Thaiyai, and the end of the pack, which is you know, like a Burmese language or Thaiyai language. 3 ช่อง ชิมไหมคะให้ไปชิมข้าวเหมือนข้าวเหนียวที่ดำๆใช่ไหมคะ I wanna try this ขายยังไงคะอันนึงขออนุญาตวางได้ไหมคะ Okay, so this is a very interesting อันนี้ใบสักตองตึง So this wrap is very interesting. So this one is from a leaf, right? We call it tong tung here, like a teak leaf tree. Inside, I asked her, it's typical from here that Mae Hong Son people loves it. It's sticky rice with black sesame seeds. And you have to eat with the sugar cane, which is the melted in that bag. They call it Khao, Khao is sticky rice. I remember I used to have this a long time with my great-grandma, but when we made it, we have steamed sticky rice, and then when we done it, we batch it out, like mixing it, like kind of smashing it, but not too hard, with the black sesame seeds. They're kind of very sticky. Let's try. I will have a bite. See, the texture is very sticky. See it?
Nó hết đang tung nó.
Hết rồi, mốt rồi đó. Try kìa. Cái cá đa, mốt rồi đó.
Cô cái thái nữa.
So, you taste the sticky rice, not very sweet, but you taste a lot. Imagine you have like a powder of black sesame seeds in your mouth. It's really good. I'm gonna try with the sugar cane. อันนี้ราดไปเลยนะคะน้ำจิ้มไปแล้วกัน I'm gonna try to see. เอาราดเลยแต่ได้จิ้ม When I used to have with my great grandma, we do with the salt. เขามีอย่างนี้นะเขามีมดอันเนี้ยแล้วเนี่ยลูกนี่เจอหัวใหญ่ลูกมีเล็กอ่ะเอาใหญ่ sweet. It's good enough. It's good. But I like roti more earlier. ตำเหมือนเป็นเนื้อหมูแล้วใส่อะไรมั้งคะในนี้ย่างแล้วก็ต้มตำใส่เครื่องนี่ใส่ปลาอร่อย I love this one. She says it's called หมูตำ which is more is the pork ตำ is the barbecue pork and smash it up and add ginger ใส่ขิงแล้วใส่อะไรคะขิงใส่ข่าตะไคร้lemon grass Thai ginger กะลังกาเลกะลา ginger อันนี้คือยังไงคะขาย20มันอยู่ได้ถึงตอนเย็นพรุ่งนี้ไหมคะหนูจะเอากลับได้ชอบอ่ะ I want to have this What is that อันนี้อะไรคะน้ำพริกตะแดงแบบแม่ฮ่องสอนสไตล์หรือเปล่าคะไม่เป็นเหมือนทั่วไปเหรอคะเป็นสีมันเข้มกว่านั้นใช่ไหม I love this one my favorite I'm gonna get some of this It's very tasty อันนี้กินกับผักสดใช่ไหมลาบปลาOh this is different This is fish Like we call lab. Lab is we've been in Chiang Mai we call them lab and we mince pork or chicken. Oh, this is fish, and we eat it fresh. Like fish chili, fresh vegetable. อันนี้ขายยังไงคะขาย20มันได้เยอะไหม I want to get some. I want to bring it with me. I love this one. I'm gonna share it. ของหนู1 ถ้วยนะคะ
ขอชิมก่อน
Just being curious how they're doing. We all the one, but we're still waiting. So I think this lady, they're very popular in the market. So people on queue. I think that for the tourists, everyone, when you come to Mae Hong Son and you visit the local market, like you should try this, you know, tofu, and especially from this guy. I'm just about to try the tofu on. It's from tofu, from soya bean. So when you are in Mae Hong Son, this is a typical, you know, dish that you should try, which is the yellow sauce that you see. It made from soya bean, right? And the sauce, it look like a liquid, like paste. So here, Mae Hong Son people love this to eat them as a breakfast, just like, you know, people from Bangkok or in southern Thailand like eat the congee or rice porridge for breakfast. So this one, you see all these are basically Thaiyai, you know, Thaiyai food. Because in Mae Hong Son we have a lot of Thaiyai that living here. You see the textures. This noodle is called Khao soy noodle, but Thaiyai style. The taste, I had a bite before, so it tastes kind of spicy, salty a little bit. Yeah, it's very nice, pretty nice in the morning. Yeah, tastes pretty good. That's why people say you should have it when it's warm, like in the morning, cold morning. It's like a warm soup. I think similar to kimchi, you know, like a Korean kimchi. Thank you for coming along. Please join my culinary adventure and please subscribe our channel. We'll see you next time. สวัสดีค่ะ